an extra-long wand cut from natural Brazilian clear quartz. This exceptional Vogel-Eredyon wand is near flawless and water clear. This 6-faceted Vogel-Eredyon Crystal Wand strictly adheres to the established specifications outlined by Dr. Marcel Vogel for optimal quality and energetic properties. A substantial crystal wand, it was superbly cut at angles of 52 and 60 degrees along the C-axis and in alignment with the hexagonal core.